Sa mga walang alam, now malalaman nyo na. That neighbor was a pogo. P-O-G-O. Pogo. Okay? Oh. Do we want pogos? Are they welcome here? No. At that time, we couldn't talk about it because you're still there. Oh. But now, wala na sila. Kasi pinaalis na. So, ano na yung mga daming hanash. Ngayon, alam niyo na pogo. Sige daw. Okay. Kataunon dyan kayo, day. Buwan dyan yung kanatawa doon niya sa una to. So, you're not allowed. Teacher Ryan, you're not allowed in the house. You cannot go inside. Yung alihan yung door. Sapat yun. Palusot na siya. My tummy hurts. Yung mga lecture. Sige, tawagon ako yung mama. If your tummy hurts, no, it's okay na. It's okay na. I feel okay na. It's okay na. Hindi siya gumapalusot. Teacher Ryan, you know what? My mama is selling the piano now, so you don't have to come back. But he was only 5. He was a child, a baby. Now that he's 7, he's accepted it. And it's accepted that it's part of his life. Si Jessa dahil nagbakasyon. Ulisdaan bantayan. So, 1 month siya. Nagbakasyon. Sana all. Mas taas pa siyang bakasyon ako. Hoy, Jessa. Hindi na.